In this Creative AI 2.0 review, I'm going to be showing you how you can create these AI storytelling videos, then AI spokesperson video, AI animation videos, Ultra HD AI videos, AI cinematic videos, AI video presentation and storyboard, AI character videos, AI cartoon videos, AI celebrities videos, then AI Instagram and YouTube videos, then AI 3D video ads, and so on. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to be showing you a tutorial explaining everything about Creative AI 2.0. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get Creative AI 2.0 at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which I'm going to be personally giving you if you end up buying through my link. So I can benefit as an affiliate for the product and also you guys can benefit as well. And also that is not stopping me from giving you my honest opinion about Creative AI 2.0. Now let me show you my bonuses. So this is my bonus page and these are the bonuses that you're gonna be getting if you end up buying through my link. So my first bonus is the Facebook marketing secrets, then come fan page ad secrets, LinkedIn for business, SEO, video warrior, social cash secrets, social marketing tips, and it goes on till 6 pages in the Google Docs. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, world's first app fully powered by Microsoft, latest multi-modal AI technology, Bing Edge and Copilot 1.0 turns your text, voice, images or even MS Office file into stunning AI charactered video, and so on. To understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on Creative AI 2.0. And after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades for this product. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Now let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrade. So Creative AI 2.0 has a total of 10 upgrades and the front end cost of the product is $17. Then comes the first OTO, which is the unlimited version, which is $37. Then comes the done for you, which is $197. Then autopilot, which is $27. Templates gallery, which is $37. Then AI Fortune, which is $97, Traffic Hub, which is $47, Agency, which is $47, Supreme, which is $37, Reseller $97, Giant Bundle $197. So you can upgrade this product based on your needs. You can also get a $3 discount if you use this coupon right over here, which is Creative3. I hope you enjoyed this review of Creative AI 2.0. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.